You can see here, guys, I'm on the roof right now, and you can see this gutter here. You hear here, as you can see probably. So it's clogged with pine needles. Good thing is not a whole lot. There are some side this house with gutters that has the reclog on it, and this house is surrounded with gutters. Yep, and this is how you properly clean gutters, guys. You have to get in the roof first and pick up all this debris, the trees and leaves and pine. That's a proper way to clean gutters. Sometimes you can do it too. You can blow it, the blower, but like this is getting a very uh, risk to walk around because it's sometimes slippery when it's wet. This metal roof right here. So best way, just keep moving the ladder around and pick up all this debris inside the gutters. And after that, rinsing with water to make sure it's clean the outside, and make sure the water spout is not clogged.